So namhlanje ku-Victoria nangu-Victoria. Victoria and Andrew. Love is in the air. I don't know if Kenya, but no VK. VK, I mean to say, 1994. Sure. It's a me, I'm a say love 1998. I went to come and see bad. And they're still new. What's our anniversary day?